Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play through, only cause you set up the angle. Web that you weave got us tangled, caught in what's...
Hi and welcome to my channel. Today I have a Boxycharm from July. My August box is not even arrived yet at my US address, so that's that. You'll see what I got in July. If you are new here to my channel, I will say welcome. It means the world to me that somebody want to join this little family here. If you like my channel and my content, I hope you press that subscribe button, hit the bell so you get notified every time I upload, press all videos, and if you like my video, don't forget to smack that like button down there. Shall we begin? July month theme is Fantasea. Yeah, and let's just have a look. The first thing in here is Dermalect Cosmetical Outcrease Retinol Trifecta Serum. It looks like that on the outside, and it looks like that. Beautiful bottle. And this brand I like. $39. And here stands Dermalect Outcrease. Successfully targets the look of the fine lines, wrinkles, thick skin and sun damage. The in anhydrous formula features three-dimensional effective form of retinol actives in a concentrated micro-encapsule delivery system. That was a lot of difficult words. And then we got from Matmaski Vitamin C Eye Serum Moisture Boost, Vitamin Boost, Feeding, Nursing and Firming, 30 milliliters. It's a big one. This is for the on the eye area. I put all around, and this has a value of $63. Oh, that's expensive. And then we got from Bella Pierre liquid eyeliner. We all know how this, when you see it, you know how it's looking. It's like a little brush. I will not open this because I already have some. $20. And me and wing liner, hooded eyes, very hooded eyes. No, not so good. And then I got Pen Pal. 4-in-1 makeup pen. Okay. We will put it out that way. What is standing here? I know these because I already got some from Makeup Revolution. Let me see what the price is for this. Alley-oop Pen Pal 4-in-1 makeup pen for when you need a quick look or touch up on the go and don't want to carry your whole makeup bag with you. Pen Pal is the convenience of 4 essential products in one. Easy to use, easy to stash, click pen, Just click down one color and apply a fresh natural look wherever you are. $25. There is a black liner, brown line for the brows, for the lips, highlighter. It's actually a highlighter, this one, I think. Yeah, it is a highlighter. You can see there, it's not much, but sorry, I have to stop my video because my neighbor's children can't. They find it very funny to keep on ringing my bell and not their bell, and it's beginning to be a little annoying. Then I chose this. Wow! I chose this from Ofra. Very beautiful. Yeah. And it has a value of $39. It's good to go mini mix palette. So that was what the base box from July had. Shall we see the price of this box? Let's just see how much it's worth. Let me see, 39 and 39, 63. $186. That's not much. $186. Yeah. What do you think of the base box from July? I think it was a little so-so. I must say it was okay. I had worse, but it was not fantastic. Please leave a comment down there. I will love to hear from you. Take care of each other. Don't forget, you can love each other from afar. I'll see you very, very soon. Love you. See you soon. Bye.